Namaskar and good morning. At the outset, I greet you happy Diwali to all of you. Enjoy well, keep healthy, keep happy, all of you. Today, I will take up a small cap company, Kilpest India Limited, with reference to its Q2 results. Kilpest is one of India's agri-based companies. It's an ISO certified company and its products include crop protection products, public health products, bio products, micronutrients, and a mix of fertilizers. The company's management is now shifting to biotechnology products, keeping in view the hazardous effects of chemical pesticides. Biotechnology is a sunrise sector. So the company is exploring the potentials of biotechnology in the field of organic agriculture, public health, nutraceuticals, enzymes, etc. So currently, Kilpest is having two major verticals. One is this agrochemicals. Second is diagnostic kits, especially during the last two quarters, Q1 and Q2. The agriculture segment, as we have said, it focuses on crop protection products, chemical and biological. Chemical is age-old fertilizers. Biological is chemical-free. The diagnostic kits segment focuses on molecular diagnostics, nitrogenomics, and personal medicine. The management consists of R.K. Dubey, Chairman and Managing Director, D.K. Dubey, Whole-Time Director, N.K. Dubey, another Whole-Time Director. So first we'll take a look at the quarterly results. Net sales, latest quarter Q2, 112 crores. Q1 53 crores, but prior to that, Q4 was 7 crores, Q3 was 7 crores, Q2 was 10 crores. 7 crores, 10 crores. But current year, Q1 53 crores and Q2 112 crores. So year on year increase is 1065%, quarter on quarter improvement also is 112%. So huge improvement in net sales during Q1 and Q2, basically due to diagnostic kits. It's now manufacturing RT-PCR kits for COVID. It has been approved by the Government of India and is supplying to about 100 clients. Now, final net profit is 52.4 crores in Q2. 23.8 crores in Q1. This is the net profit margin, as you can see, is almost half, 50%. Q1 also 23.8 crores, 50% of the sales of 53 crores. Prior to that, Q4 2 crores, Q3 1.5 crores, and Q2 2 crores last year Q2. So profit has improved by 2,493%. Sales have improved by 1,065%, but profit has improved by 2,493% year on year and 120% quarter on quarter. So it's making a great profit in diagnostic kits. Equity 7.51 crores, basic EPS again 79.6. Previous quarter 36, now 79.6, but prior to that 3, 2.3 and again 3. Where is 3, where is 36, where is 79.6? So 2,552% improvement in EPS year on year, 120% improvement quarter on quarter. So all due to COVID kits. The company says its agrochemical business is seasonal in nature and the performance can sometimes be impacted by weather conditions and cropping pattern. Known. All agrochemical based companies are like that. They are seasonal. The company has two identified reportable business segments: agrochemical and molecular diagnostic kits. Now, if you look at the segment results, that will make it very clear. Agrochemicals had a revenue of 6.53 crores in Q2, Q2, and Q1 3.51 crores, and Q2 of last year 6.39 crores. Agrochemicals is not exceeding 6.5. Diagnostic kits 107.42 crores in Q2, 150.2 crores in Q1, and last year Q2 just 3.8. Total revenue has shot up to 113.95 from 53.72 in Q1 and 10.19 in Q2 of last year. Now let us look, this is total revenue. Now let us look at the profit before interest and taxes. Agrochemicals 1.48 crores Q2, 0.29 crores in Q1 and 0.52 crores in last year Q2. Diagnostic kits 78.37 crores in Q2, 36 crores in Q1 and just 2 crores in Q2 of last year. So total is 79.86 PBIT and 36.33 in Q1 and 2.82 in Q2 of last year. Similar position for profit before tax. Agrochemical 0.08 but total is 79.77. Rest of it comes from diagnostic kits. Now, so diagnostic kits has become its major revenue earner and profit earner. Now, cash flows, if you see, H1 of this year and H1 of last year. Cash flows, net cash flows from operating activities 73 crores in H1 this year, just 7 crores last year. 73 crores this year, 7 crores last year, half year. From investing activities, always minus 0.93 this year and minus 0.64 last year. From financing activities, 0.9 this year, 0.81 last year. So cash and cash equivalent at the end of the half year, 80.7 crores this year, 9.38 crores last year. So everything comes from diagnostic kits, COVID. The one company which has profited most probably, percentage-wise, is Kilpest India from COVID. Market price is 382. It has shot up like anything. Earlier, almost more than 10 times. That's what I understand. Price earning is just 1.20. Volumes are around 30,000. It's registered only on BSE. 52-week low was 54 and 52-week high is 517. Now it is at 382. Now if you look at annual results, that is March 2016 to March 2020, it is nothing much. Sales 5 years ago 17 crores, now 28 crores. Net profit 5 years ago almost zero, that is less than 1 crore, and now 7 crores. So cash flows are last year 7 crores, 5 years ago 0 crores. Investing activities 0. Financing activities similar. Net cash flows are March 2020 7 crores. Prior to that, very insignificant. Now, shareholding pattern, if you look at that, promoters hold 38.19%, pledge is 0. So, FIA is 0, DIA is 12.80. Now, if you look at how the action is proceeding in BSE, NSE, etc., buyers only on some days and sellers only on some days. So, very curious. So, Kilpest has shown stellar show in Q1 and Q2. What will be the position in Q3, etc.? We don't know. Stock has risen in the past 5 months six times. Bumper Q1 results, bumper Q2 results. Its subsidiary is there, 3B Black Bio Biotech. It's a subsidiary that is giving all its profits. Will it stay? We don't know. Exports also may come now. Government has permitted exports now. So the exports may add in Q3, Q4. We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But there is threat from large players. They also get into it. RT-PCR kits they are manufacturing, which are supposed to be the most efficient kits. So let us wait and see for Q3. Whether it will continue for a long time, we do not know. Kilpest has profited much from diagnostic kits, RT-PCR kits. So let us wait and see how it will utilize these extra funds. That's where it stands. Do I recommend buying, etc.? I don't know. For large long-term players, it is very difficult to say because this may stay or this may go. So vaccines are coming, therefore kids may go. We don't know. Let us wait and see. I'll come before you with another very good company.